toxic.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Yorktown Heights, New York, Mandy Rose.
This is a match that folks have been clamoring for, and they are excited to finally get it.
A competitor who is always laser focused on the competition. I expect big things from her tonight.
Her opponent from New York, Willow.
Now this competitor, they just don't know when to quit. They can be outnumbered 10-1 in a match and then still walk into the ring with a smile.
You know what? I'd still bet on them. They've got such incredible heart. They never give up on themselves.
Well, if you're going to be dumb, you got to be tough.
She certainly knows how to get a reaction, and she'll get an even bigger one when she wins this match.
And coming into this matchup, there has been a fire burrowing inside of the superstar.
Well, she certainly has the look of someone that's tired of being taken lightly, angry at the disrespect she's been shown.
She'll be looking to take out all that anger throughout the course of this match.
And she's standing across the way from a superstar who expects nothing less than perfection, or at least something close to it, from herself. Someone who refuses to rest on her laurels, refuses to be less than the best, and refuses to lose to anyone less than the best.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent.
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
I honestly can't believe we just saw a human being tossed like that.
Walking after this. And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind.
These two are finding an answer for everything.
Bullseye with the drop kick.
Arm stop.
Gosh.
Raining down elbows. Check this out. Little insult to injury. She's fighting to get back up, but I don't think that fight's about to matter.
Leading her into the corner now.
Forearm to the kidneys.
Attacking the leg there. That kind of focused attack on the leg could provide dividends. Stumps. You want to control the tempo.
And a quick pin attempt. Throws up the shoulder.
Probably knew that wasn't going to be enough at this stage, but every time you cover your opponent, you make them kick out. Every kick out exerts energy.
Early time offense there.
All the way up. Oh, no. Good night. The Dude Buster.
We've seen how damaging pile drivers can be, and that one looked particularly painful.
Stepped aside, avoiding damage. Face first, flapjack.
She's making the climb to the top rope.
She's locked in, about to go for the kill. From the top rope. Missile drop kick on point.
With the counter. Takedown. And now punches right. Wow. Vicious, aggressive. aggressive attacks. Just going all out with every blow. Valley drive.
Their shoulders are down. This could be it.
She was close to the end there.
She's still as determined as ever. Fast movement gets her out of the way. Oh, man, targeting the leg.
Her endurance is really being tested now.
Yeah, but you got to expect that at this point in the match.
Oh.
Now watch this.
Beautiful Northern Lights suplex.
The beginning of the end.
Double knees.
What are they going to do here?
Leg snap. And again in the other direction.
Elbow drop. Into the pin.
Will it be?
No, kicks out.
We'll see if this is the start of a rally.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Uses the edge of the knee.
Way to avoid that.
Trios takedown. Head to the outside.
But for what reason?
She turns it around with the reversal.
Both sides with an answer to every piece of offense.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
Just doing anything they can to chip away at the base.
Inflicting pain at will.
She's failing to put up any resistance here.
Yeah, she wasn't expecting things to take this turn.
And she slides her back to the mat.
Buster. She has no idea where he is right now, and it is about to...
Oh, this is not going to be good.
That's it. She might have just ended it all.
Two. What a kick out. She's not done yet.
You gotta be kidding me.
Surviving that maneuver is absolutely amazing. And that result leaves everyone shocked. But will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time?
This one will have to be seen to be believed. Who will prevail?
True greats are at their best when their backs are against the wall.
Doesn't want to be on top rope like this. Oh, what a slap. Positioning them exactly where they need to be.
We on the top. Powerbomb.
Stick a fork in.
That might have put it away. Two. Kicks out, kicks out.
How did that not end things for her?
She's showing incredible resiliency. Not able to seal the deal with her best move. Now she's asking, what more can I do? Lift it up. What's next?
Two. Death Valley driver.
Oh, watch this power.
Way up and down her.
Will it be enough to keep her down?
He kicks out. I don't believe it. I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up.
Well, stay in your seat. Looks like we've got a ways to go yet.
Confidence must be waning as she hits the opposition hard, but still can't get the fall.
Powerbomb. Wow.
She's giving her no room to breathe.
She's plotting every move, and it's paying off. Cinching a waist lock, but right hand.
Big right hand.
And she is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
She's able to turn things around. She might be back in it.
What a match this has been. What a fight.
We're all glad to be witnessing such an extraordinary match tonight.
Does not get it.
Oh, did we just see a tooth fly out?
Holy moly, that has to be it.
Into the shoulder up.
I cannot believe she had the wherewithal.
And now it's reload. Time to find another moment to pull out that one more time. Now a series of vicious
Stunts.
She's vulnerable. Up on the top turnbuckle. Ooh, and fights back. That can make an opening for her.
Better watch your step now. She's getting all sorts of fired up.
She leaves the ring, but she can be counted out here. Ow! Foot meet back. Power from the suplex. And gets tossed back into the mat. She put in the work. Now she's looking for the payoff. A kick out at 2.
Somehow she's still in this matchup. It's unbelievable.
Oh, great wherewithal there.
Ooh, getting kicked down by surprise.
She wants to seize the moment now, waiting on her opponent. And an answer from her.
Get yourself out of harm's way.
We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they know another turning point can come any second, and that can be the instant that ends it all.
Capped off with a knee to the spine. She's taking a lot of offense here.
Yeah, she's definitely on the back foot now.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. Getting to her feet, but maybe only for a moment.
Up high. Kick to the gut. Now kick to the back. Just punishing their opponent from every angle possible. Now locking in the wrist. Oof.
And saw what was coming there.
She might be waking up.
Buying herself some very precious time here.
Good defense there. Dominating shoulder tackle.
She's going all out offensively now.
Yeah, she isn't going to let up anytime soon.
Dangerous knee on the button. I don't think she's getting up from that. Cover. She wins. She wins. Now let's take a look back at some of the great action.
Here is your winner, Mandy Rose.
Grabbing the win in this one is a serious accomplishment. Putting your body on the line like that is a huge risk. This match could have gone very differently.